Good morning, boys and girls. We are working on PEMDAS. What does PEMDAS mean? PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, adding, and subtracting. When looking at this numerical phrase, we need to look at parentheses first. So we will solve 8 plus 4, that equals 12. Let's practice some more. What should we do first? Yes, let's go ahead and multiply 4 times 3. Why 4 times 3? Because it's in parentheses and we always solve the parentheses first. So now we're going to say 4 times 3 equals 12. We're going to put 12 back into our problem. Now we're going to say 2 plus 12 plus 4. So now we can just add across the problem. 2 plus 12 equals 14, and 14 plus 4 equals 18. 18 is our final answer.